What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. Wanted to do another video because we actually were quite bullish over the last 24 hours together with the market, but Luna Classic actually was one of the biggest gainers. We dropped down all the way after Coinbase was sued. We dropped down all the way to this level right here at 8,500, which was what I expected. Last video what I said is that we would probably drop down below this level right here and then continue dropping down to 9,000 and probably even down to 8,500. But then yesterday all of a sudden we got bullish momentum from the markets, which was not what I expected, especially not after the news. And now we are actually quite bullish on the short term. We are actually not. I wouldn't say that we are technically bullish, because for that we would really need to break above this level right here around 10,000. And it doesn't look like we're doing that, but yeah, we're one thing we are not, and that is bearish. So we'll talk about this whole video, or we'll talk about Luna Classic in this video. There's some updates I need to give on the whole Luna Classic USDC Repeg situation as well. I have some news on that. I did some more reading into it, so I think that's going to be pretty interesting. But yeah, that's what we'll do. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now on to Luna Classic. So let's start off with the USDC Repeg news. So first of all, I mean, USDC itself has already dropped back down. It's not a lot going on anymore. Usually what you see is that, well, not a lot going on. We actually did get some bullish momentum over the course of yesterday, but that was just together with the entire market. Most of the bullish momentum has actually faded. And with USDC, I mean, the one problem I have with it is that it always seems quite manipulated. So when we get these rallies with USDC and Luna Classic, it just feels a bit shady. It feels like some people already know something we don't, or something. But all right, there's actually something that is bullish, and something I did not pay that much attention to. If you go to the governance proposals right now on Luna Classic, what you'll see is that first of all there's a software upgrade proposal to 2.1.0, which is always a bit bullish. We're not getting that much bullish momentum off of that anymore, but overall it's pretty bullish. And apart from that, we have some USDC Repeg proposals. Those are not going to pass, not by a not by a long while. But there's also this, a USTC test environment, which would actually allow the L1 task force, so the task force behind Luna Classic, it would allow them to actually create a test environment to test out USTC and Luna Classic Repeg things. And that's obviously bullish. At least on the short term it's bullish if that passes, and it does look like it's that it will pass. I think it has already passed the threshold as well. On the long term, it does mean that probably the whole USDC Repeg proposal, or that it will be implemented, will be delayed quite a bit. To be fair, I mean, it would be a wonder if it comes in the third quarter of this year, I think. So that's a bit of bad news perhaps, because it will drag on, this whole USDC Repeg thing going on. But at least on the short term, it's bullish that they're working on it. Apart from that, perhaps it's, before we dive into the technicals, might be interesting to take a look at the burn tax right now. Burn tax is still decent. I mean, we're burning 140 million Luna Classic yesterday. So burn tax is doing pretty good, obviously also with the volume coming in. But if we take a look at the technicals, like I said, I mean, the main thing we would want to do right now is break above that 10,000 level. If we break above 10,000, which is this level right here, then we'll find resistance at 10,400. But if we can actually get that bullish breakout and retest, because we do need a confirmed bullish breakout, so for that you need a retest. If we can get that, then we can actually rally all the way up to 10,800 and 11,000 again. I just do not think this is the most likely scenario. Bitcoin is displaying a little bit more bearish momentum. The market will probably settle down and calm down a bit, which is not great if you want to get a bullish breakout. So I think it's more likely that we'll just find resistance there, and that will slowly drop back down to the levels around 9,400 and then also back down to 9,000, which for now I do think will hold, unless we get another lawsuit by the SEC. But that's my take on Luna Classic for now. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.